Hi guys, this is Josh Tech here, and for today's video guys is we are going to unbox and do our initial review of the Colmi C61 Smartwatch. Let's go. Hey guys, this is Josh here. Welcome back to our channel, and for today's video guys is we will be unboxing the new smartwatch from Colmi, the Colmi C61 or Colmi C61 Smartwatch. Okay, so without further ado guys, let's do the unboxing. So then guys, so wow, this is the packaging of the Colmi C61 smartwatch. Very minimalist guys, as you can see. It has only like circle design in the middle, and then it has Colmi branding in here, and below we have C61 smartwatch, and then at the back, so we have here the specifications. So the screen is 1.9 inches, and then the battery capacity is 230 milliamperes, and waterproof level, that's IP67, and it is compatible for iOS 10.0 and Android 5.0 guys. Alright, so let's take a look at our Colmi 61. I like their packaging. It's very simple yet nice to look. Okay, and by the way guys, the color that we have is silver. Ooh. And then also inside guys, we have here, oh, they have the screen protector, which is nice, and then there's also the user manual. So if you have any questions, especially on how to connect, you just have to look at this manual. And then here we go, our Colmi C61 smartwatch. Wow, it looks so simple guys, yet very lightweight. Okay, and at the back guys, so I believe here are the sensors and the charging pin. And then we have here the strap. Okay, it's in silver, and then there's also Colmi branding here in the strap area. Alright, and I have also this charging cable, so which also has a Colmi branding. It's very customized. Yes, it's wireless charging. And then it says here, please charge before use. So I will be charging this one first guys, and we'll be right back. But first, let's take this one out. Alright guys, so we are done charging, and then it says here scan to bind. So I will be using my other phone to scan it. So let's scan. Alright guys, so it directed us to the Google Play or App Store. So let's tap Google Play download, and it uses guys the Fit Cloud Pro. So let's tap install, let's tap open guys, and agree. And then it requested us guys agree to use the phone. Okay, just tap OK, and it says binding. Alright, that's very quick guys, very easy. So upon connecting guys, you have here the choices. So it's either you can use the 24-hour format or just the 12-hour. So in my case, I am just using the 12-hour format. And then the time setting, okay, that's currently it's 10:22, so the time is already set. So that's it you guys, and here is our Colmi C61 smartwatch. Wow, look at that guys, it looks so nice. And the bezel I like because it has some kind of a little bit of curve on the sides, but it's not noticeable. And the bezels, it's not big or it's not large. So let's take a look guys the functions of our Colmi C61 smartwatch. Anyway guys, on the side, so we only have here the one button here on the right, and on the left there is none guys. Okay, so let's try to first scroll down. Okay, let's try to scroll down. Okay, so we have your shortcuts. Yes. Settings, brightness, and so on. Alright, and then let's scroll up. So it's a shortcut for messages. And swipe to the right, we have here the shortcuts for some features. And when we swipe to the left, we have here the widgets. So the steps, the heart rate, airplane mode, audio mode, okay, and this sleep monitoring, and you can also customize that one. Okay, now let's take a look at the feature, guys. So it has this one here, dial. Okay, so if you connect this one to your phone, it can dial automatically, guys. So let's try to check. Let's try to use this dial function. Alright, guys, so for you to use the dial function, you have to connect the your phone to your phone's Bluetooth. Not only the application, but you have to also to connect that one to your Bluetooth on your phone. So let's try, guys, this Bluetooth function. Okay, let's tap dial 09. Just example, guys. Alright, so okay, as you can see in our smartphone, it is now dialing. So let's try just a random number, guys. And then let's tap here, dial, and voila, guys, it can remotely dial. Yes. And guys, just a reminder also, you can directly answer the phone call from your smartphone to your smartwatch. So that's it, guys. Okay, that is a very interesting feature, guys. And then we also have here contact person. Okay, you can add that one, call records. So okay, we've used this one as well. And voice assistant, so let's check voice assistant. You can use this function on your phone as well, so it's very interesting. Next, we have here data. This is the data of your steps, Heallh. You have also workout. So in the workout, guys, so we have here walking, running, climbing, cycling, basketball, badminton, football, elliptical, yoga, table tennis, skipping, tennis, baseball, rugby, hula hoop, golf, long jump, sit-ups, volleyball. Wow, there are lots of workout that you can choose, guys. Okay, and then we also have here workout records. Yes, so it will be in here. And then heart rate. Okay, this is very important. So as you can see, the sensors are lighting up. So it means that our heart rate, you can measure the heart rate. So let's check, guys. So this is my heart rate so far. It's 83. And next, guys, we have here sleep monitoring. So you can monitor your sleep in here. Then we also have here blood oxygen level. This is very nice, especially this time. So let's check, guys, our blood oxygen level. Let's have here 98. So next, guys, is we have here messages. So no new messages yet, so you can customize that one. Weather. Alright, so we have here 20 degrees Celsius, that's cloudy. And then for female, you have this function here. I think you can customize this one on your application. We also have here music. So let's see, guys. When we try to play and pause, it will also connect to our smartphone. So let's skip and change to others. And guys, this is my favorite feature. You can listen a song to your watch directly. Okay, next, guys, is we have here breath training. I really like this one since you can do meditation, stopwatch, timer, alarm clock. And guys, for the alarm clock, you can set this one through your Fit Cloud Pro. It's in here. Collection code, business card. So it's all in here, guys. Alright, so next we have also calendar. Wow. See? This is nice. This is very helpful for business people on the go. So this calendar is nice. Find my phone. You can see our smartphone is notifying us by ringing. Then we also have here settings, style switch. You can choose to which style you want. Screen display, like dial switch, you can also access in here. All right, and then we also have battery. Okay, so the battery we have 27%, and you can also choose the battery saving mode. So turning on the power saving mode will disconnect the Bluetooth connection. Okay, and then what else? We also have here the vibration intensity language. Okay, this is pretty important. Then the QR code, date and the time. So it's all in here, guys, so you shouldn't have any problem at all. And the password, so you can customize your watch by putting a password in it. And then we have here shutdown and reset. Wow, guys, wow, this is so nice watch in this 2023 so far. This is the best by far in 2023. And for only 1,360, you can already get a very good watch. And you can just go to colmimanila.ph, or I will just put the link in the description box, guys, if you're interested. And guys, my initial review for our Colmi C61 is very nice. I am amazed. And so far, guys, the feature that I like is the music. Before, I could only use the music control just like a remote one, but in here you can directly listen to the music through the speaker in here and through your watch. And I super love this one so far, and I will make a review after a couple of weeks. And yes, guys, and also another thing is the SpO2, the heart rate. It's nice and they're so promising. So let me know, guys, about your thoughts about Colmi C61, and then if you have any questions, just comment down below. Alright, so I think that's it for this video, guys. If you like this video, guys, kindly click the thumbs up and also consider subscribing to our channel. Once again, this is Josh, and I will see you guys in our next video.